In this video, I'm going to show you a tip, what I like to call a hack, on how you can add an additional product to the checkout page for your customer if you have to charge a one-time fee to the current order. For example, if you're selling something like hosting and wanted to add a setup fee, or maybe you're selling a physical product and maybe you want to have a flat shipping fee. So you can do this by including it as an order bump, but hiding the order bump on the checkout process so the customer can't uncheck that. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and add a new product. We're going to call it a setup fee. You'll give it a price, so let's just say $79. And that's it. So go ahead and publish this. So this is going to be our setup fee, our hidden product that we're going to charge the customer at checkout. Okay, now let's go back to our products. And let's say we wanted to charge that setup fee on any of our products. Let's just use this e-commerce course as an example. But again, you would simply apply this product as an order bump to any of your products where you want to charge that setup fee. Let's go inside the e-commerce course. Okay, so once inside of the product, what you want to do is go to the order bump. You're going to want to enable order bump, and then you're going to add the setup free product as an order bump. So right here, product for order bump. Let's go ahead and search for that new product we just created. Here it is. Let's choose that. And then what's important here is this: should the checkbox be checked by default? Yes, we want this, because when the checkout page loads, this product will now appear as an additional product at checkout. So you don't have to do anything else, but I'm just going to add some stuff here so we can easily see it, because there is one more step that you'll need to do. So let's just give it like a bright background color just so we can easily see it. The headline. Again, you don't have to do any of this. I'm just doing this so you'll see it in 1 second. How we're going to hide it. So the hack, the order bump, is applied at checkout. All right, so let's update this product. All right, so that's updated. Now let's go to our URL options, grab our purchase URL. So I'm going to load this checkout page in an incognito browser. Okay, so our product loaded, and if we come to down to the bottom here, we see the e-commerce course for $550, and now here's our setup fee order bump product, that additional charge for $79. So here's our funky looking order bump here. I just added the colors and that text just so we can see it, and as you can see, it's checked off by default. Well, because this is a one-time fee, the setup fee, or if we were doing, again, the shipping, a flat shipping rate, we want to make sure that we charge this to the customer. We don't want them to have the ability to uncheck this, which would then remove the setup fee, as you can see. So what we're going to do is, because we have the order bump automatically checked off, what we simply need to do now is just hide this order bump from being visible on the front end. And we would simply do that with some custom CSS. Now, if you needed help with this custom CSS, just let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you. But you're simply just going to find the element for that order bump, and here's the code for it. So this upsell checkout order bump section 0, we're going to display none, which will then hide it on the front end. So again, you have the ability to add multiple order bumps. So it's going to be 0, and then if the next one would be 1, next one would be 2. So whichever order bump you're going to hide, it would simply start with the number 0. Again, if you need help with the code, just let customer support know, and we'll be more than happy to provide this to you. So now you'll copy this code, and if you're utilizing a template builder and you want to paste this custom CSS into your template builder, you can definitely do so. If you're using a global checkout page, what you can do is you can come into this header footer section of the Upsell plugin product, enable header, simply paste that code. Now let's go ahead and update it. Now let's go back to our product checkout page. Let's refresh this. Okay, so now the page reloaded. As you can see, e-commerce course for $550. That setup fee for $79 has been added, but now the order bump has been hidden on the front end. So there's no way for the customer to uncheck that. So no matter what, that setup fee will be applied, and there's no way for them to remove it. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully that makes sense. So that's a little hack on how you can set it up. So if you want to charge the customer an additional product, such as the setup fee, or if it's a flat rate shipping, or whatever you want to add to the checkout process,